Two, for a fragrance word perfume, it does pretty well. I won't even lie. On skin, it does 10 hours. Babe, 10 hours on your skin. This thing will give you 10 hours on your skin. It's a beast as well. You can't compare, of course, but it's a beast as well. 10 hours on your skin, Zara Man will give you 10 hours on your skin. What's up, you guys? This is your wing lady, and I'm back today with another beautiful video. Hi guys, how are you all doing? You see me in a sweater again. That's because it's cold here, you guys. It is actually cold. The weather just keeps getting colder and colder and colder. So I apologize if my videos get darker. It's the weather. It's the weather. It's not me. It's the weather. So guys, today we are going to be reviewing another fragrance word perfume. I know this review should have come a long time ago. I know, but it's here now. That's what matters. And today we are reviewing Zara Man. Yeah, this is Zara Man by Fragrance World. It is the apparent dupe of Tom Ford's Black Orchid. So, do you guys want to see the box? Yeah, I should probably get you the box. Sorry about that. This is the box. It comes in this nice box, like so. See? Fragrance World logo on the top. That's the box. Quite simple and black. You know, it's for men. They make men's things so black and demure. But not to say that the juice is demure at all, because what? The juice in this thing. Let's pray together. That Tom Ford's signature DNA is just unmistakable. Once you spray this, it takes you straight to Tom Ford's Black Orchid. The sillage, it fills up a room. Don't do too much. You know what I actually smell is spices. You have that woody note, you have that cinnamon, you have that amber. I'm going to leave the notes of this perfume on the screen. At the top notes, it says it has citrus and lemon. With those, it's supposed to actually come out fresh, you know, like a masculine fresh scent, like a citrusy soapy scent. It is none of that. It jumps through those top notes and just goes straight to the cinnamon. Like it skips those top notes and goes straight to the cinnamon. I don't smell anything fresh. I don't smell anything citrusy. I don't smell anything lemony. Until maybe after the dry down, until after the perfume has actually performed for about 15 minutes on your skin, then you catch something fresh. But initially, you don't get that freshness. That citrus, that lemon at the top, it's not here. You don't get it. It is a spicy oriental perfume. Spices, herbally oriental perfume. The woody notes in here, the woody accords are heavy on the woody accords. It's a typical masculine perfume. Very strong on the woodiness, okay? And then the cinnamon, the spices in there. I think there's more than cinnamon in here. If you ask me, I smell some cardamom in here too. It is woody and spicy. Basically, just what I get. It is woody and spicy and crisp and dry. It is not really fresh or lemony or citrusy, and it is definitely not sweet. It is not a sweet perfume. This is a masculine perfume. It is not for sweet guys. If you want sweet perfumes, try others. This one is not sweet. It is classy, yeah. It is in a league of its own, yeah. It is woody, yes, but sweet, it is not sweet. This is not something I will wear on a date night. This is something I will wear if I was a man. This is something I will wear to where I want to be further respected. Not that I'm not respected, but you know, if you have like an important business meeting or an important outing somewhere where you want people to see you as a macho man, as a man that's got his life together, as someone that knows what he's doing, yeah, I would wear this. I wouldn't wear this on a date or on a casual outing or even to office. It feels like it's too good to wear to office every day. It feels like it's not an everyday scent. It's a powerful scent, sort of a mature kind of scent. Yeah. It is deep. It has depth. It is not dark. It is not dark. It is not like Philo's Opus Noir that has this dark nuances. No, it's not dark. It's actually quite gentlemanly, if you get what I mean. It's not a dark, dangerous, deep scent, no. But it is a strength with depth. It has power. And it is not fresh and it is not sweet. If you're buying this perfume looking for something fresh and sweet, please, this is not the perfume for you. It doesn't have all those goodness. It is not an easily likable. It's not a kind of perfume that you smell on someone you want to, easily like them and hug them. This is not the kind of perfume, like I told you. It's that kind of powerful scent that you wear to powerful occasions, places where you want to be respected and treated like a king. Okay. Now, in comparison to Black Orchid. Now, when my Black Orchid came, I bought this unboxed, thrifted unboxed. When it came, there's a tassel around Black Orchid. We all know this. There's supposed to be a long tassel around here. The seller, before she sold it to me, she said the tassel got missing in transit because it's an unboxed perfume. Unboxed perfume usually have one or two discrepancies, faults or flaws, which is why they sell them as unboxed and cheaper than if you were to buy the real thing. So in the case of Black Orchid, this was the problem, the tassel. But when I got it, I actually smelled it and I discovered that it's actually a real perfume. It's not a fake one, because one of my aunties in the abroad gave me a sample of the original Black Orchid. It's tiny. I've finished it. It's a small sample, but it contained the real thing. And when I compared the real thing with this one, bam. So I don't mind about the tassel as long as you give me the juice. So in comparison with this, now, in comparison with the original Tom Ford's Black Orchid. Look, guys, I know we review more affordable, cheaper options of perfume because we don't have the money to spend on the original ones. But guys, there is no how. Okay, dupes are nice. Dupes are good. But there is no how you want to dupe an original expensive bottle of perfume that it will really be like the original. For sniff, this smells so refined. It is not crisp. It doesn't have those sharp, rough edges around the perfume. It doesn't have that alcohol burst. It is just smooth, like a drink, like a wine, like an expensive wine. When you drink expensive wine, it just rolls off your tongue. It just rolls off your tongue. It is just so smooth and blended. This is what you have in Tom Ford's Black Orchid. The spices in there, those herbally nuances, the woodiness. But I feel like Tom Ford's has a lot more notes because I can smell a bunch of different things. It is still not fresh. It is still not sweet. It is still not lemony or citrusy. But compared to this one now, compared to Zara Man, they do share a lot of similarities. They do. In fact, they are almost the same. Just that this one is sharper, crisper. I dare say even a little bit sweeter than the original Tom Ford. The original Tom Ford doesn't really have any sweetness to me. It is not a sweet perfume. It is not a sweet perfume. It is not a fresh perfume, you guys. It just goes straight to those herbs, those spices. But they share a lot of similarities, you guys. So you cannot easily, if you were wearing this, you cannot easily know that it's not the original Tom Ford, except maybe someone whose nose is super developed and is like, that's not Tom Ford. This is just so smooth and creamy and blended and rounded. This is quality perfume. When you smell quality perfume, you know quality perfume. You know. And then the lasting power on this thing. This thing is a beast too. It's a beast. You cannot do Tom Ford. You cannot do more than, let's say, 4 sprays on you. 3, 4 sprays on you for Tom Fords before you start choking, because it is strong. It is a beast and it will last you so long. If you spray it on clothes for weeks, you can smell it on your clothes. That is no capping. I don't spray it all the time. I only spray if I want to like use it as a base scent. If I'm doing combinations and I need a strong base, I use this maybe 1, 2. That's all you need. That is all you need. It is super strong and it stays. This one too, for a fragrance word perfume, it does pretty well. I won't even lie. On skin, it does 10 hours. Babe, 10 hours on your skin. This thing will give you 10 hours on your skin. It's a beast as well. You can't compare, of course, but it's a beast as well. 10 hours on your skin, Zara Man will give you 10 hours on your skin. And then on your clothes, you're going to get a good 48 hours. Then after 48 hours, it starts to fade away. But you get a very good 48 hours when you start. So don't play with Zara Man. Don't say because it's a dupe. It's a pretty good dupe. If you don't have Tom Ford's money, buy this one. I know I'm going to, I said I'm going to do unbox and thrifted perfumes collection video for you guys. I just haven't had the time and there are so many. I don't know how to structure the video such that maybe 2 videos. I don't know. But you guys, if you can buy all those designer perfumes, make sure you have like a sample, something that you can compare to when the original perfume, when they sell it to you, so that you can tell if it's original or fake. Don't get knockoff. But this one, though, in comparison to the original Tom Ford, it's 90% similar. 90, 80, 90, 80, 90% similar. And if you buy this, you're good to go. You're good. You're okay. And it will last you reasonably well. It will last you reasonably well. You are okay. That is my verdict. So thank you so much, you guys, for watching up until this level. Please do click on the subscribe button if you haven't clicked on it already, and please like this video if you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it. If you didn't enjoy it, I would understand if you don't like it, but if you do enjoy it, come on, like it. Thank you so much, you guys. I love you. I love you. I love you so much. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Ciao.